Things haven't been going well since the divorce. I mean, he's still nice to me, we still have small talk and keep it cordial in public, but it's like he pretends like nothing happened at all. I honestly envy him for not having any emotions. Meanwhile, I'm at the therapist's office weekly just trying to unpack everything that I feel. Most nights I just feel so lonely, and it takes everything within me just not to pick up the phone and call him. It hurts. My girl Puddles has really been there for me though, and we've had a lot of crying sessions at night, and she convinced me to go out on a date with Bam, who has, I guess, liked me for a really long time, and I went, I gave it a shot, and don't get me wrong, Bam's cute, I like him, I clearly have a type, I like deer, but I just can't stop thinking about Zell. How am I ever going to move on with these feelings burning inside me? So the next day I ran over to Puddles to tell her about the date, and then I find... she betrayed me! And then Zell has the audacity to say, oh, I didn't know you were friends with Puddles too. Are you fucking kidding me? She was the maid of honor at our fucking wedding, but gee, I guess you forgot that too. Then Zell completely changes the subject and tells me Marina is sick at home. And I'm thinking, okay, why are you just telling me this now? Why aren't either of you helping her? So, like a good friend, I rush over there, and then when I find her, she's in horrible condition. So I ran to the market to get her medicine, but they were closed. It was too early. I had no choice but to call an ambulance to take Marina to the hospital. The doctors say she's in critical condition and she might not make it through the night. And I just don't know what I would do if I lost one of my best friends. She's been the only thing keeping me together through all of this, not to mention the only friend I have who hasn't fucked Zell. She can't fucking die!